Yeah, yeah. But now I have to do like this because if I do like this,
Yes.
you can see Simon,
Sound.
Katerina.
Hi.
It's like I feel like a TV reporter now, right?
Yeah, but you can put some music
Yeah,
over.
it's like we're here in the city of Lisbon.
Now we're going to the viewing point and the Christmas market.
While Dennis is doing his paperwork, dodgy paperwork. I don't know what is he doing there.
I feel like it's summer. It's weird. It's November.
Yeah, it feels more like
Yeah, like
Spring.
late summer. Yeah, like spring.
because now it's autumn,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, even it's almost winter. November, December.
December
Autumn is
21st, winter.
December 20.
First should
Oh,
change
really?
to winter.
Okay.
So it's still like
Yeah, good. Depends on where you are because in Germany now it's kind of winter.
Oh, yeah,
It's 2 degrees.
it's already winter, yeah.
And UK as well.
But UK has shitty weather all year round, so.
Yeah, that's true.
So, look at this building. You saw that? I can do like this.
Yeah.
What does Futa mean,
Oh, it's just a brand.
Because in Arabic it means something. It's a small cloth.
If you change the F for P,
I know that. That I know.
that way you know. Universal. Pizza slice, 250. Man, I'm so hungry now.
Too, I didn't eat
I'm like,
only the fruits, that's it.
now when we sitting down in a restaurant, I'm gonna be like,
If I eat one bite now, I'm full.
I'm gonna eat so much. Oh, look that. Looks amazing.
Yeah, but the trash is ruining it.
Oh yeah.
But it's beautiful.
You see that's the train.
Yeah.
Carrera 24. Okay, let's go.
Should we cross the road? Are we going this way? No, there's better ones.
Yeah. Better lighting.
At night it's so beautiful.
Oh yeah. And I think they will already turn on the lights for Christmas.
Yeah, true.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, one time I flew with a guy and we were like, oh my god, we know each other, but we cannot remember the flight we did
Yeah.
together, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, like 3 weeks
I walked
later...
here just to take picture. If you want to go somewhere else.
No. This
So
looks good.
3 weeks later, he sent me a video of us partying in Lisbon. And we were like, oh my god, that's why we...
It's like I don't remember. Now I remember.
Yeah.
Cans everywhere.
Yeah.
You have it.
Oh, any food smell, even if it's curry, even if it's curry, it makes me more hungry.
This smells Indian, no?
Yeah, it's Indian, man.
Is it?
Well, they had the menu here. Pork. Pork. Oh, so tight.
Yeah.
Is he going backwards or?
No, I think forward because they removed the scooter.
Hello. Welcome food, drinks, cocktail happy hour.
Oh,
Imagine you hanging your underwear here. And look how tiny is the balcony.
yeah.
My ass doesn't fit. My,
It's just for a cigarette, that's it.
not even like you cannot move there.
Yeah.
We can go from here, right?
Yeah, let's
Then we wanna
We
reach.
need to go this direction.
Wanna reach the thingy.
So many restaurants.
He was full on, man. No, but you can tell like he was already. Yeah, he was like moving the jaw and.
Friday, it's Saturday. Getting ready.
He got the itchy one. Cocina portuguesa. But eating in these ones, man, is expensive. We should find a proper Portuguese, like
Paella.
a place that looks like nothing. Let's see. Oh, the tapas, €2. Depends. Main dishes, yeah, this is expensive. €22 for Lisbon, expensive. Yeah, it was €22. One dish. For Lisbon is
Yeah, because we're in the
super,
city
yeah,
center.
yeah. So we should find something more secret.
Yes.
What's this? It's a butcher shop.
Oh my god, yeah. It looks like a horror movie.
Yeah. You enter and then you don't go out.
It's like pink light.
You're gonna buy some meat.
I don't even eat
You're gonna buy some meat.
Do you eat meat?
Some meat. Do you wanna buy some meat, bro? It's a butcher shop. Looks very.
The light makes it very.
It's like a movie, huh?
Yeah, it's like a
Dodgy.
movie. I only eat fish.
It's like the brother. What's that? Brother.
You, bro.
Brother. Let's see if then it's finished.
No, let's go to the place.
Look the name of this bar. MDMA. Mission drink more alcohol. So here.
Ah, yes, we're here. Yeah.
The green light is still going on, right?
Yeah. Blinking the green light.
That's good. That's good. Caipirinha 5. It's cheap, but it's close. I think it's too early.
For what?
I think many places are still didn't
at
open
5. Normally,
because here they have this siesta.
normally at 5, no?
They have this siesta practice.
Yeah. It's so nice.
My next flight is Bologna, and I know in Bologna it's the same. Like from
Bologna is a nice
1:30 or 2 until 5:36, the city is dead because
Dead.
everybody's sleeping. Wish I could do that.
I would like to have here the cheese, the English.
The what?
Do you think they have it here? That's more like Brazilian stuff.
Yeah, I know, but there's.
Let's see. Fish and chips. Chicken samosa. It's just like a Dubai menu.
Wow, the smell.
Oh, chorizo.
It's sausage, yeah?
Yeah.
I
Prosciutto.
think this one looks nice if you eat.
Oh, steak with cheese and ham. How much is the beer? It doesn't say. Let's see what else. Tasquinia.
I feel the smell not very
Oof.
smelly. The smell is not very smelly.
Oof. Chorizo.
Yeah, patatas bravas for 6 euros.
Patatas bravas. Beer sangria. Are they also a bit pricey, yeah? Like 10 euros for a large beer?
For the what?
For a long beer?
10 euros?
Yeah, it's expensive. For Lisbon? You expect that price maybe in Germany, in Polaner, but not here.
No,
But I think it's because it's...
here, yeah, here. But the beer should be like 45 euros.
Yeah, right? I think we're running in their picture, right? The other place we should go is there. That's the place with the best view. You see where the flags?
There's a church there as well, right?
Yeah.
This one with the flags. Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been this
Looks
there
nice.
and I've been there.
Yeah.
Like I've done it. Oh my god, how much will we walk?
Yeah, that's true.
I've done the full tour in one day.
Walking,
Wow.
that's a lot.
With the crew. I have picture. I want to look through it.
Looks so nice.
Beautiful
I
city. huh?
remember I was wearing a beige coat. Like trench coat. Like,
I never did it during the day. Actually, only at night I saw it.
and we went to the there, and there's a lift that takes like a lift that takes you up like that.
If we stay here, we're gonna get high, huh?
I don't smell it.
No? I think next to us.
Should we get an Aperol?
We can get a drink here. So
Yeah.
then you.
Oh really? Yeah, of course.
Maybe in front.